By 2030, people think that the Cronos CRO will cost between 0.24878 and 0.469918. Market experts, besides CRO, think that by 2025, it could reach 0.193496. Bearish XXX2.x. LXP. Presentation by Cronos CRO. Digital currencies are all the rage right now. And for good reason. They're a better way to give and manage your money. Cronos is a digital currency that is very interesting. It may not be as well known as Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it is still very interesting. Cronos has a few great features that could make it a competitor in the crypto world. In this article, we'll look at Cronos and its possible price predictions, so if you're interested in this new coin, keep reading. Cronos is a decentralized blockchain platform that focuses on making a fair and efficient market. Cronos plans to do this by giving clients a place where they can make, share, and change applications and material. The Cronos Group thinks this will help with development and creativity. In this blog post, we'll look at the Cronos price forecast and explain why this step could be important for investors. Here's an 8 about the CRO crypto price forecast. Check the least cost, value, future cost, and other factors to see if buying it would be a good investment. Crossheads. Who or what is Cronos CRO? Cronos is a digital currency designed to work with the most common way of keeping track of and getting benefits. The things. The things. The things. The EA. The things do things. The things. The themes. The things. The symbolic is based on the Ethereum blockchain and can be used for trades on the Ethereum group. Cronos is a power sign that helps keep things running. The digital money stage in Monaco LKLPY Compia Cirques XSSOXX TXX Cronos CRO specialized exam. The Cronos token has been focusing on our biggest strengths for a while now, coming out of a long period of solidification. The breakout was caused by more people wanting to buy, which is shown by the rising number and rising prices. Brokers use different specialized tools, like calculators, to predict how much a CRO coin will cost based on information from the market that can be trusted. An oscillator is a special testing tool used to measure the rate at which prices rise over time. The most well-known oscillators are the general strength list and the frequency oscillator. RSI. The difference between the stochastic oscillator and the moving normal assembly. When an oscillator is overbought, it means that the market is due for a pullback, which is a temporary drop in price. When an oscillator is oversold, it means that the market is due for a bounce back, which is a temporary rise in price. RSI is an energy predictor that looks at how fast and how often prices change. The RSI fluctuates between 0 and 100. Readings under 30 show that a stock is oversold, while readings over 70 show that a stock is overvalued. Like other energy indicators, the RSI can give false signals, especially in uneven business sectors. Differences between the RSI and price movement can also be used to predict pattern changes. Cronos is currently worth $0.055285. CRO has moved 0.28 and there have been 8,099,867 trades so far. Cronos is currently ranked 36 among all digital currencies, and its market value is $1,390,6653,514 Using the general strength list. The RSI moving weighted normal MWA Williams fractal and moving normal union difference the I estimated value of Cronos CRO in 2023. Cronos, from some points of view, is one of the best digital currencies to rise this year. The CRO price estimate for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly reaching 0.082927. As with other types of digital money, the rise will be slow, but there won't be any big drops. The average drop is 0.077398, and the price is high. But it's possible that it will go down soon because of expected joint efforts and improvements. CRO is supposed to be worth 0.066341, Cronos CRO value forecast 2024 out of 2024. Cronos CRO price prediction has a lot of room for growth because of the possible announcements of new partnerships and initiatives. We think that the price of CRO will soon outperform 0.138211. But we should wait to see if the CRO's overall strength record comes out of the oversold zone before making any bullish bets. Taking into account the unstable market, bets on CRO will have a base exchange rate of 0.110569 and an average exchange rate of 0.121626. Cronos CRO value expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 0.193496 and CRO might gain in the event that the market encounters a decay. The goal might not be reached. CRO should trade for an average of 0.17691 and a minimum of 0.16585.2025. Cronos CRO price prediction for 2026. If Cronos is successful in changing the minds of cryptocurrency fans, the price of CRO coins could stay fixed for the next 5 years, according to our estimates. CRO will be green in 2026. In 2026, the CRO is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, a unit of virtual currency will be worth 0.24878. With a starting price of 0.221138 and an average price of 0.232195. Cronos CRO value prediction for 2027. After a lot of research and planning, we think the CRO price will reach a normal value level of 0.287479 by 2027. With a base price of 0.276423 expected by the end of the year. CRO's highest value is 0.304065. RFK, if CRO doesn't get the help he needs by 2028, a low of 0.331707 could happen. Cronos CRO value forecast for 2029, while is working to make it easier for companies to work together. The positive trend from the past year is likely to continue, so the base exchange price has been set at. Standard Chartered has raised its prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 to $120,000. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%, but its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. Standard Chartered